selling clothes. Hello, today I'm selling clothes for the first time. Oh no, where are my shoes? I'll just take them off. Oh, here are my shoes. Okay, well, look at these clothes. They're nice. I hope my buyer likes them. Let's just wait for the first buyer. Doo-doo-doo. Hi, Pompompurin. I want to buy. What do you want to buy? I'm looking for a custom for myself. Okay. Do you have a custom like that? Yes. Follow me. Wow. Beautiful. Yes. Beautiful. This is the newest costume. And this is our Halloween costume. I want this one. Okay. Do you want to try it first? Yes, I want. Please wear this shirt, Kuromi. Okay, I'll try this shirt. Wow, it's very beautiful. Yes, it's beautiful. Sweets for you, Kuromi. Thank you for coming, Kuromi. Thank you for coming, Kuromi. Don't forget to come again. Okay, I'll go first. Bye-bye. Wow, it turns out that the first person to buy was Kuromi. Who will come second? Hi, Pompompurin. Hello. I'm looking for a dress for a party. What color dress do you want? I want pink. Okay, follow me. This is the first. Beautiful. This is the second. That is the prettiest. And this is the third. Wow, I already know which one I want. This one is the best. Are you sure you want this one? Yeah. The dress also has accessories. Can I see? Yes, you can. Come here. This is the head. Anything else? Yes. This is the stick. Then, here are the glasses and shoes. I want it all. Do you want to wear the dress stretch away? Yes, I want. Put on dress first. Then, put on a hat. Then, put on a cane. And put on glasses. Hey, Pompompurin, I'm done. Wow, you are very beautiful. Thank you. Okay, thank you What food do you want? You are free to choose. This is the food. I want cake. Okay, this is for you,